The fifth product on this list is the Balmuda The Kettle. This unit redefines the art of simplicity in kitchen appliances. Its sleek, lightweight design is perfect for everyday use, offering a 0.6-liter capacity, ideal for 3 cups of coffee or 2 generous mugs. What makes this kettle exceptional is its precision pour spout, a result of meticulous ergonomic research. Pouring becomes an experience, with hot water flowing smoothly and cleanly to your desired spot, whether it's for careful pour-overs or simple cup-filling tasks. But it's not just about elegance, it's about efficiency too. The Balmuda kettle rapidly boils water, ensuring you enjoy your coffee without delay. No more waiting in front of the microwave or stove. Adding to the experience is the neon light indicator, casting a gentle glow that makes the few minutes it takes to boil water a daily delight. With stainless steel construction and a soft power light, this kettle elevates a mundane task into a refined and enjoyable ritual. Its pros are: it has a sleek minimalist design that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It has a pour spout that ensures a clean and controlled flow of hot water for a perfect cup of coffee or tea. And it boils water rapidly, saving you time in your morning routine. However, it might be insufficient for larger gatherings or when you need a larger amount of hot water. The Balmuda The Kettle is the go-to kettle for those who crave style, precision, and efficiency in their daily hot beverage routine, making every morning a delightful experience.